Alright, so I just cut this piece out. Now if you look, well, on this end I need to cut out a little more because it's still weak right in that area, but it's right on the border. But no, I'm feeling this is pretty solid. So now let me feel these ends. Oh, this side, okay, so this is still weak, so I'm gonna cut this out, but I wanted to do this piece first. So now I'll come in and get this piece did up here. I normally just use a piece of paper. See that? And then I got my marker there. So find me some scissors, cut this out, and cut me out a patch for that. Take my little tool and I put that on there, so then that way I can have something to hold this to. Okay, so as always, so I put a marker here and a marker here so I know which side is which here. But I gotta grind this down just a little bit. That is perfect. That is it. There we go. All right, so now I come in on this back side and I'm gonna just put, I should put weld through primer on there, but I think I'm on, before I put this inner piece in, I'm gonna pour 15 all in here. So I think I'm gonna pour 15 all in there. So I'm not gonna really worry about doing the weld through primer on this. And then this here, if it pops off, that's good. If it don't pop off, I normally cut it off. So cut it and then I grind it down. And once I use that, that piece is no good no more. So now, let me bring you in here. Alright, so now I got that welded up. What I got here is that I can tell I got a few pinholes. So I want to weld this up, and before I leave out the garage tonight, I'll take the light, I'll cut the lights off, and I'll shine a flashlight up under here, and it'll show me if I got any pinholes that I'm not seeing in here. Then I can come in, take a marker, and I normally just put a dab on wherever the pinhole is, spot weld them up, and then come through and pour 15 under the bottom. Just want to weld that up a little solider. Pinhole there. Pinhole there. And these are just pinholes that I can see from where I'm at here. So I get them penetrated through real good. Blow it off and grind them down. Alright, so like I say, I don't mud it in, I cut it out, weld it up. Like I say, some people might say, oh, you know, one piece at a time, guys. So I come in, I'm going to call it a night. And I come in when I cut the lights off, stick a flashlight up under there, see if I got any pinholes anywhere. Then I come back through tomorrow and I'm going to cut this section out, probably from here to here. And I get that section out and I'm going to do that the same way. Then I'm going to pour 15 all up under here. And then I'm going to come in and get this last piece put in here.